اطلب العلم أخي فهو درب به نور به ترقى به تحيا.
Assalamu alaikum, hello friends and followers, and welcome to our second video in this tutorial series. In this video, we are going to draw the axis of this plan on Prota structure. But before doing this, let's first have a look at our plan. This is a dormitory building where each floor consists of 4 apartments, and each apartment has a salon and a kitchen, plus a toilet and a bedroom. So first and foremost, and before drawing anything on Prota structure, we need to draw the column, beams and slabs of this plan on AutoCAD. And as you can see, I have already done this on my plan. Of course, this design is not compulsory. You can have a different one, but make sure that your beams are continuous and as a frame shape. So now to copy this axis, we need to go to Prota structure. We start by creating new project and let's name it as our project. Then we choose our code, in our case it is the Euro code, and we click import. After that we get to this blank page. For me, I feel more comfortable in choosing the units to be in centimeters. We go back to AutoCAD to get the dimensions of each axis, and we always start by drawing the first vertical axis and then the first horizontal axis. So starting by the first vertical axis, axis 1 has a length of 1391 centimeters. So we go to Prota structure, we click on building set aux, and we choose axis, then we choose any starting point and we extend the line. Press F2 to write the length of your axis. Now we draw the first horizontal axis. Axis A has a length of 2380 centimeters. So we go and draw it on Prota structure. Then we need to adjust the vertical and horizontal distances between axis A and axis 1. So the y distance between them is 194 centimeters, and here it is 200 centimeters. This means that we have to move up axis A by 6 centimeters. Also, the x distance between them is 200, but it should be 134.5 centimeters. So we offset axis A to the left by minus 65.5 centimeters. And we delete the old one and then we rename the new one to axis 1. So now we have axis 1 and axis A well drawn. The following step will be offsetting the other vertical and horizontal axes. So starting by vertical axes, we go to AutoCAD and we get the spacing distances between the axes, then we draw them as shown in front of you. The same applies for the horizontal axes. We get the spacing distances of the axes and then we offset them and we draw them. So this completes the drawal of our axes, and now we can draw our concrete structures.
اطلب العلم أخي فهو درب به نور به ترقى به تحيا.